Artem Chigvintsev sets the record straight. From dance floor to construction zone. Truth revealed. Hi guys, welcome to another banger revealed. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, not forgetting to on your notification bell to follow more real-life stories. In a shocking turn of events, Dancing with the Stars pro Artem Chigvintsev is making headlines not for his dance moves, but for his unexpected passion for construction. He recently responded to accusations from his estranged wife, Nikki Bella, who claimed he viewed construction work as beneath him. Artem, however, is firing back with a firm denial. But how true are Nikki's claims? And what does Artem have to say? In newly released court documents, Artem not only defends his stance, but shows his hands-on side, stating that he has always enjoyed working on DIY projects around the house. He's built garden beds, BBQ setups, and even a yoga deck for their Napa Valley home. Artem's story challenges the stereotypes around Hollywood as he embraces his hard-working, down-to-earth side. Is Artem redefining himself? This episode isn't just about their personal clash. It's a look at resilience, reinvention, and standing up for what you love, even when your reputation is at stake. Stay tuned and don't miss this incredible story of transformation. Hit subscribe for more real-life stories that inspire as we walk through with Artem and Nikki on this one, and thank you for watching.